Hi, I'm Wayne Smalls, President and founder of L. Wayne Smalls and Associates. I would like to take this opportunity to say hello and introduce myself to you. At L. Wayne Smalls and Associates, there's a strong emphasis placed on helping individuals, teams, and organizations to improve their success plans. Our mission is helping others to realize their dreams and bring them into existence. This is done by showing our clients how to spread their wings and soar to success. We believe in order to be successful, there must be a plan put into place that describes each step of the development process from start to finish. As a professional coach, trainer, speaker, certified by the #1 leadership guru in the world, John C. Maxwell, we can offer your organization services such as leadership development training, seminars, workshops, and keynote speeches, as well as individual coaching. The services that we offer can enhance your growth personally and professionally by using proven leadership methods. We can work together to move your organization or teams into the desired directions in order to reach critical goals and objectives. As stewards of leadership, we strongly believe that everyone can reach their fullest potential with a strong belief in their natural abilities, as well as having a willingness to be a lifelong learner. We also offer facilitated group sessions, also known as mastermind groups, which offer a combination of peer brainstorming, education, accountability, and support that will sharpen your business and personal skills. We believe that your vision is a blueprint of your purpose and the potential of your organization as a whole. By bringing new ideas and a different perspective, our services can help you achieve the success you desire. L. Wayne Smalls and Associates is here to help your organization to reach new heights. For more information, you could go to www.lwaynesmalls.com, or you can go to the executive site at johncmaxwellgroup.com/Wayne Smalls. You can also contact us by telephone toll free at 1-800-340-0485. I hope to hear from you soon. Until then, have a blessed day.